All right, welcome to the channel, or welcome back. Here we are in the Aurora Highlands area, and we are at Tri Pointe Homes. Got a couple great model homes to show you, see what they're building out here. I do have some awesome incentives also for you, so if you have any interest in this area, make sure you reach out to me. We have some really good stuff for you. Let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, taking a look at this. This is the Crescendo Plan 3203, about 2,200 square feet. All right, let's go take a look inside and see what we think. All right, as we come in here, you're gonna notice a really nice open living room, family room. Great thing about these is that they do have the 9-foot ceilings on both levels. Really nice feature. Kitchen is in the main part of the home because that's always where everybody hangs out. Beautiful island here in the middle. Those different colors, isn't that great? Let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. Or actually, let's go ahead and start over here. There's a bathroom. This is just a coat closet. Really nice bathroom. Let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. Up here at the top of the stairs, have a really nice flex space loft. Let's go ahead and take a look at the primary. Really big ceilings. This is really nice up here. Got those really nice tall ceilings. All the doors are 8-foot doors, which are really nice as well. Really nice size master closet, primary closet. Great sunlight in here, as you could tell. Really nice. Let's go ahead and check out one of the other bedrooms over here. Nice. Good sized bedrooms, not huge, but really ample size. And here's that bathroom. Let's go ahead and head downstairs. Let's take a look at what that finished basement looks like. This builder does offer finished basements as part of their packages. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So this one hasn't been finished yet. So just open, but good size. Not a whole lot to see there. So let's head back up. A couple of details about this one here. Again, it's about 2,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It does have a unique alley load garage, so you don't see the garage doors on the front, which a lot of people really like. So this one does have an unfinished basement, full unfinished basement. Has the great wide plank laminate floors throughout the home, quartz countertops, white cabinetry, and of course all the gas appliances as well. I don't think we checked out that covered patio. Let's go ahead and check that out as well. Perfect for those great Colorado evenings. Let's go ahead and head outside. We'll go to the next one. Take a look. Pretty windy out here, so apologize for the wind noise. Let's go ahead and we're gonna head just over here to the next one. What's nice about these Crescendo plans as well is that they do sit on a little bit smaller lot, so a lot lower maintenance. I'll go ahead and flip the camera around so you can see what that looks like. All right, let's go ahead and head into this one, see what we think of this one. Really nice open floor plan. What's great about this one too, you walk in and there's this great office space right over here. So for anyone working at home, that is a great feature. And without the doors on this flex space, you definitely are connected to the whole family, or of course you could put double doors on it for a little bit more privacy. Really nice open great room. So living room, dining room, kitchen, all one nice connected family space. Again with a really nice island. Gas range. It's a really nice kitchen. I could definitely see myself cooking here. Really nice. Have a bathroom right back here for your guests. Let's go ahead and head upstairs and see what that looks like. Here is your laundry, upper level laundry. And here's the primary. Really good size up here. Enough that you can have a couple chairs for relaxing. Really spacious up here. Those 8-foot doors really make a difference with these 9-foot ceilings. Really unique tile. That's kind of cool. Large closet. Very nice primary suite. Let's take a look at some of those other bedrooms. Good size walk-in closet. This one decorated like a nursery, very nice. So the other one had a walk-in closet. This one's just your standard closet. But nice size rooms as well. All right, let's go ahead and head down. As we head downstairs, let me tell you about some of the features of this great home. This plan here is about 2,500 square feet, priced right at $625,000. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and of course that flex room is separate from that as well. Also has a 2-bay alley load garage, so you don't have those garage doors on the front, just like the last one. And the same, it's got the really nice wide plank laminate flooring, the gas appliances, and the dark cabinetry in this one. That's gonna do it for our tours here. Make sure if you do have any questions about these properties, you reach out and let me know. Would love to help you out. Until our next video, see you around town.